Hi, I'm Grant, co-founder and owner of Nashville Pack. Thanks for your purchase. In this video, we're going to talk about what comes in your bag, how to set up your backpack, and what to look out for as far as adjusting, troubleshooting, that sort of thing. I want to talk to you about the things that are going to come in your bag with your backpack, how to attach your straps, and then how to adjust them to fit right for you. Every Nashville Pack product comes on our modular vest system. So you have a daisy chain on the backpack and then a set of straps that's going to be in your bag. The set of straps each have 3 connection points, and now I'm going to show you how we attach those to your bag for you to find the best fit for you. First, we want to take the middle of each side and match that up with the corresponding location of the Y strap. That's going to be our baseline spot to start attaching straps. Now you can move this later on wider or more narrow depending on your shoulders and your neck, but this is generally where we recommend setting them up. I'm going to run the webbing up through the back side of the daisy chain on this side of the pack. And then I'm going to go through, come back through the tri-glide, come through the tri-glide again on the front. And then once you've actually located this position that you want, and this might come after some adjustment, you can further get this extra webbing out of the way by going through once more out the back end to get it out of your way and to keep it from rubbing against your shoulders or your neck or anything. Once the straps are on and we wear the pack around for a little bit, then we can make some micro adjustments based on where our comfort spots are, maybe where our rub spots are. We'll get there. Additionally, you might want to be considering, as you attach these, that you can actually adjust the length and angle of the straps. So we have a lot of micro adjustments that we can do afterwards if you're not able to find a comfortable setup with the initial location and placement of your straps. After attaching it to the daisy chain, simply take the bottom webbing tensioner here and run it through the ladder lock on both sides, and you're good to go. And there is a setup cutaway with a set of straps on it. Additionally, inside the straps will come a set of 3 sternum straps, 2 standard and 1 elastic. We recommend that you use a standard sternum strap on the top strap, and the elastic sternum strap that comes with it, usually closer to the bottom, probably the lowest of your 3. And then the third one you can use anywhere to bring it in to find some comfort. You don't have to use 3, you don't have to use 2. It's entirely up to you. To attach the sternum straps, it's a very similar system with a daisy chain to the top, except now you have these nice little clips on the hardware, and you simply push them through on both sides and attach them in. I'm going to attach just 1 standard sternum strap to the top and 1 elastic sternum strap to the bottommost rung, because generally that's the setup that I like, but you can use whatever feels right for you. Once again, I'm Grant at Nashville Pack. Thank you so much for your purchase. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any further questions or issues. I'm happy to answer. You'll hear directly from me. Thank you so much once again, and have a great time outside.